What's good, everybody? It's your girl Richay here, back again with another video, and I realized that it's been probably 6 months since I went to LA, and I said in the video, yeah, I'll do a haul, and I never did it, and I'm so sorry. So real quick, let me just show you a few of the things that I brought back from LA.
Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers to me, flowers today.
I'm just gonna jump right into it, right? At Goodwill, I found these cool little sneaker things. They were super dope, super cool. I do kind of realize now why someone probably donated them in such nice condition. They kind of hurt your ankles because there's like plastic or something digging in your ankle from the high top portion of your shoe. So I gotta figure out how to fix that. And they'll be super cute with whatever outfit I choose to wear them with. The next thing that I did bring back from LA, which was super hard for me to do, was actually, y'all saw in the vlog, and if you haven't seen the vlog, I'll link it up at the top, but I went to Dolls Kill and got these lovely boots right here, which I absolutely love. I don't wear them often because I don't want to get them dirty. I still have to figure out how to not wear my shoes. I don't know. I see all these people with nice shoes, designer shoes, all of this, and they're so nice all the time. Like, do you ever wear your shoes? Do you wear them because they look pristine? Like, I don't know. I walk outside and they're automatically dirty. Like, I don't know. I wear my shoes, so I'm super careful with these boots because they were $100 something, and I absolutely love them, and they're so pretty. They're mint. I'm kind of out of breath, so if I'm talking fast, I'm so sorry. I think it was the second to the last day I did go to the fashion district, and I got some very stunning fabrics. I honestly don't think that this is meant to be worn. I think this is like meant to be a tablecloth or some sort. Both of these fabrics, to be honest. And I actually have no idea. Oh, I know I have the business card in here somewhere of where I got it from. Oh, here we go. So this is where I got both of these fabrics from. And oh my god, they're like a pleather, so they're not stretchy. But I don't know if y'all can see that, but it actually shines. Like, I don't know if this is, it might be painted on. I'm pretty sure this is for tables or something, but like, it's not a stretchy fabric, if that makes sense. So that's that one. It's got teacups and whatnot, which is super cute. And then of course I have this one, which also has teacups. And it's the most beautiful. Both of them are kind of in like champagne colors, so I'm pretty sure these are meant to be either tablecloths or curtains, not gonna lie. But just look at them. Oh my god, look at how they shine. I'm not sure what I'm gonna make out of them, but it's gonna be super cute when I do. I just gotta figure out how to make something that's not breathable. Simple, right? But I don't remember how much of each I got, so I'll let y'all know when I actually do cut into them and have an idea of what I am making. Don't pay any attention to YouTube in the background. I think whatever it is that I do make, I want to preserve as much of the pattern pieces as I possibly can, because I really hate to cut into a teacup or a teapot or any of the floral designs, because I love the fabric so much. And I actually think Everclear bought me one of these fabrics, if I'm not mistaken. So Everclear, if you're watching this video, I absolutely love you. I miss you. I haven't seen you in forever. We need to do it again. I'm waiting on you. Let me know. Speaking of friends, the next thing I got was the day that I went out with Crystal and Everclear, and she took me around LA. She actually, you guys, she gifted me this cute little journal, and it's got so many plants. I can't wait to show you guys all of my plants and my garden stuff. Like, stay tuned for those videos because they're gonna be very soon. I am working like crazy. This entire office is now covered in so many different projects for you guys, because I'm actually trying to get back into it. But look at this beautiful journal. It is the cutest thing ever, and I absolutely love it, and I'm scared to write in it because once it's gone, it's gone. So not sure what I'm gonna put in here, but I'm super excited. It's by Studio O, and she got it at she goes to these small mom and pop stores, and she buys all sorts of cute things, like pins and stickers and patches, and I always think they're so cute. And I guess this was from one of the stores. She immediately thought of me because your girl loves plants, and I love this journal. While I was at the fashion district, of course, I did have to go see Benjamin. Y'all, if y'all watch Amber's show, you know who Benjamin is. And this is what I got from Benjamin. I don't know, maybe it might go with one of those. We'll see, but it is absolutely stunning. Poor Benjamin had to take it off of the mannequin. I felt so bad for him. But there was literally nothing else I wanted other than this piece specifically. It's kind of pricey, but honestly, I think it was worth it because look at that. That is so stunning. And I can't wait to show you guys what I'm going to do with this. I honestly have no idea what I'm going to do with this, but we'll figure it out. But like, I'm thinking a beautiful back piece because honestly, my boobies is not going to fit in there. So it might have to be a back piece of like some luxurious gown. So while these are kind of technically the last things I brought back from LA for me, I do plan on going back, and I do plan on getting a lot more. I don't think we shopped a lot, to be honest. I think it was more like we just wanted to do things. Like we were just chilling. So yes, we did go a lot of places, and yes, we did always go out to eat because one, it's not, we lived in a hostel, so there's that. We didn't have a kitchen, we didn't have the regular home amenities. Well, the kitchen was there, but like we're not gonna use other people's stuff. That's kind of weird, low-key for me to experience. I'm just not ready to take that leap yet. Even when I go to Airbnbs, I don't really use any of the pots and pans that they leave there, like sometimes. But anyways, the majority of the time we spent our money on food and like doing things like getting places, a lot of birds, because the Ubers and the Lyfts were so expensive and they sucked. But while we were with Crystal, she took us to Amoeba Records. I can't pronounce that. It's right here, Amoeba Records, and we got some pins. I don't know if I've told you this, but I have a punk vest jacket, or I have two actually, and I'm currently trying to build it a little bit more towards myself. So here's a Pennywise knife that I got, as well as the Pale Man, which I'm so shocked that I bought the Pale Man. I love Pan's Labyrinth. But there we go. It's in focus now. Super cute. And then I got this one, which I don't know if I'm gonna have to blur this out. I got this one because fuck Nazis. Love it. Going on my vest. It was definitely during that time where everything was going on in the US, and I just wanted to, I'm not afraid to speak my mind. The symbol kind of triggers people sometimes, and I'm like, okay, maybe I do need to blur that out. But yes, I do continue to get patches or pins wherever I go to try and fill that vest up, because it's like Fiesta medals. Everyone wants every single one that they could possibly do, especially for the businesses they love. And you know, I know that most of y'all are not from San Antonio, so you probably have no idea what Fiesta is. And it's currently going on right now. Maybe next year I'll take you, just not this year because I can't really do much this year, but I'll explain everything next year. But yeah, that's what I actually brought back from LA. I hope you guys enjoyed this little haul. I'm sorry if it wasn't super exciting. We really were not organized, if that makes sense. We were just in a rush. But as always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, follow me on all social medias. They're all at Okayrichay. I'll see you next time.